like diode and different types of thyristors. And out of so many thyristors like SCR, then GTO, MCT, TRAC, and all that. So it was also discussed that SCR is widely used. Since SCR is widely used, so generally the SCR is, the thyristor and SCR, they are replaced. ठीक है, replace माने कि thyristor जगह पे SCR sometimes we can say, and in place of SCR also we can say the thyristor. जदि किसी specific थी like JTO की MCT जदि किसी specific थी ना, then in that case we mention that one. Okay. Now coming to the transistors. So if you talk about transistors, so there, I mean, you will be reading about 3 types of transistors, not in detail, but their VI characteristics and one more characteristics known as your switching characteristics. Okay, so what are the transistors that we all or you all know about in AC? What are the type of transistors you have read? किसी तो ट्रांजिस्टर पढ़ी थी ना, BJT,
MOSFET.
Good. MOSFET. Okay.
JFET.
But these all are not in your course. So mainly we will read about BJT, MOSFET, and IGBT. Okay. So this you will read about, and there is another known as SIT, but this we won't read about. So regarding these 3 type of transistors, so you may it IGBT पढ़ी चकी, IGBT पढ़ी चा?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this IGBT, you can say it has or its characteristics is a combination of BJT and MOSFET. माने BJT रो जो advantage plus MOSFET रो advantage को combine करेगी, one another type of transistor is made, that is an IGBT. Okay, so when you will go for higher semesters and तुमको किसी ना किसी research करना पड़ेगा, so you will find in most of the papers this IGBT is used. Okay, either the thyristor or the IGBT is used, and recently before I say BJT MOSFET user, but since it has the advantage of both these BJT and MOSFET, so IGBT is mostly used in the converters. मतलब कोई भी converter था mostly IGBT use कर रहा है ना. So we will just read about their symbolic representation. Okay, how they are represented.
Then you have to share the screen.
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପଟେ share କରିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଣେ. Okay. So these three transistors is in a syllabus. So you'll read about the symbol, okay, and it is also said about to read VI characteristics. So a VI characteristics you have already read, like your input characteristics and output characteristics. Okay, फिर we will discuss here, but not in detail. Generally, the graph is important, and 2-3 lines related to that graph or the characteristics. Then there is one characteristic known as switching characteristics. This will be completely new to you. Okay, the switching characteristics means, suppose if I go for any of the transistor, let it be BJT, MOSFET, and IGBT. Okay, so if I switch on this transistor, these transistors are nothing but what? It will act as a switch only, one type of switch. And these all are controllable switches. These all are controllable switches. That means to turn on and turn off, we need a signal. Okay, good control signal using the driver circuit. For each transistor, we will use a circuit known as drive circuit. Okay, or driver circuit. So this will drive the transistor, or this will on and off the transistor. So if you talk about a transistor or a diode or a thyristor with respect to power electronic subject, so these all act like a switch. Okay, so when we turn on transistor, so it will happen that it will not turn on instantly. It will take some time due to the presence of internal capacitance. Okay, there will be some, due to the presence of internal capacitance, these transistors will take some time to switch on. Okay, so that the time, I mean the time between, like suppose I have given the supply and the drive signal to this, to any of the switch, suppose. Okay, so between this it may take some time to switch on. So this time is, you can say, one of a case of a transient. Transient means it is momentarily na. तापर जे स्टेडी स्टेट आसे तो सी ट्रांजिएंट पोर्शन टा तमे पढिबो स्विचिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रे. ओके, so since we'll read about 3 switching characteristics of these 3 transistors, so obviously it will be somewhat confusing. So how to study? Suppose I'll complete BJT पढ़ी, then MOSFET, then IGBT. Then what you do? You take separate sheets for like BJT would a page karibo, then MOSFET would a page, or you can also go for in the same page also, then IGBT, and then suppose input, first write the symbol draw karo, tinta ja karo, then input VI characteristics, output VI characteristics, and switching characteristics. Okay, so empty confusing hobani hai na. Now if we talk about diode, what is a diode? What is diode? PN junction, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens in these semiconductor? The conduction or the electric current flows because of what?
Majority charge carriers.
Like majority charge carriers, like holes and electrons. Okay. So what happens? So suppose simple PN junction is there. So P means we have more number of holes, positively charged holes. And in N we have electrons. Okay. So if we join that P layer and N layer, so what will happen?
A gap will be created.
How?
Opposite charges move towards each other.
Charges will go to neutralize in between, and there will be a time when a gap will be created.
So there will be good. So there will be diffusion of holes and electrons, because there is an imbalance of you can say charge between these two, isn't it? So holes will diffuse here, electrons will come here. Okay, so because of this diffusion of the charge carriers, what will happen? A depletion layer will be created. Okay, so a depletion layer will be created. So what is that depletion layer? In this depletion layer also we will have those you can say immobile ions. That means they cannot move further. So in this P side, here even though we had holes and there was a diffusion of hole this side, so in the depletion layer that is near to P side, there we will have the electrons, negatively charged electrons. Okay, and in N type, that is near to the depletion layer, there we will have positively charged holes. Okay, so this is the depletion layer. माने diffusion है साला पौरे, जहाँ भी recombination है साला पौरे, whatever extra negatively charged ions P side रहेला, so it stays in the depletion layer. Then whatever extra holes tomorrow inside it stays in the depletion layer. Okay, so this depletion layer, so eta tomorrow p-n junction hegala. Now when I forward bias, so we know that in a diode there are two type of biasing, that is forward biasing and reverse biasing. Okay, so forward biasing, okay, so forward biasing means P
Positive charge.
layer
Positive.
connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and this N layer is connected to the negative side. Okay, so what happens if I connect this, or if I'm forward biasing this p-n junction? Kon hobo? Kon hobo?
Depletion layer will decrease.
Good. So this depletion layer will decrease. That means it is already positive terminal connect achi na. So this will try to move further. Okay. Similarly positive. So depletion layer will decrease. Okay. But if I go for the reverse biasing, the reverse biasing means I will be applying negative terminal to the P side So suppose this is a depletion layer and this is P, this is N, and the reverse biasing is negative terminal connected to P, positive to this. So what will happen? Jahan bhi width thila, so obviously since here I have the negative charge and again negative is there, so will there be any attraction? Will it attract these negative charge? And negative charge को attract करोगे? No, there will be repulsion ना. So what will happen? This depletion layer will increase further. So there will be no conduction of current. It will act like the switch is off and there will be no conduction of current. Okay. So this principle, like when there's a forward biasing, the depletion layer decreases and there's a conduction of current. And when there is reverse biasing, the depletion layer increases and there is no conduction of current. Okay. So this basic principle is applied to your thyristor or to your any of the, you can say, semiconductor devices using their PN junction. Okay. Jimki simple gote PN junction is a diode, but in a thyristor, so okay, suppose if you talk about BJT. In BJT, it is nothing but, you can say, two PN junctions are there. Isn't it? In BJT, we say there are two types of BJT, NPN and PNP. Again, so there are two junctions, two PN junctions. So jodi PNP rahila, the two junctions ko tahla. This is one junction, and this is another junction. Okay, and if I have suppose N, P, N. NPN LME, I have two junction. So this one is one, this one is two. Okay, so this is if I talk about BJT. A transistor. Suppose if I talk about a thyristor. So again, thyristor is a three junction, three PN junction type. So here what I have? PN, PN. Okay, so it has three thyristor combination. So whatever it is, whether it is diode or BJT or but diode, transistor or your thyristor, so there the basic, you can say the building block is a PN junction is there. So it can be 1, 2 or 3. Okay. Hello. Then, okay. Now let us talk about last class more. I was like, I had to discuss about the thyristor, the symbolic representation. So BJT is bipolar junction transistor. So if we talk about the symbolic representation, so it has 3 terminals. That is, one is collector, base and emitter. I'm connected the Mochita online.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have 3 terminals, collector, emitter and base. But depending upon the type of the BJT, NPN or PNP, the current or the emitter current direction changes. So in NPN, the emitter current is outward. In PNP, the emitter current is inward. Okay? So out of these two, NPN and PNP, which one is widely used? Any idea? NPN. Okay? Because they are easy to manufacture and also they are cheaper. Okay, they are easy to manufacture and also they are cheaper. Okay. So whatever characteristics we'll read about that NPN transistor.
Why cheaper?
Huh? Maybe the fabrication. Cheaper money in terms of the fabrication method that is implemented. Fabrication गोटे कंपनी रे हो थुवा ना तो सेठी तार मे भी जो the process जोटा involve करूची it is cheaper as compared to this PNP. And we have read about 3 types of configuration. If you remember, 3 types of configuration of BJT. That is
Common base,
common base,
common emitter,
common collector. And out of these 3, we generally prefer common emitter configuration. Okay? Because it has high power gain and also high current gain. Okay. So the switching characteristics की VI characteristics हमें जोटा पढ़िबा, that is for that we will read for NPN common emitter configuration BJT pan. Okay. Okay. And the voltage and current rating of BJT is 1400 volt, 400 ampere, and its operating frequency is 10 kilohertz. So you're writing though somewhat.
Yes, ma'am.
I will check a page jodi share kari haba, then I'll share with you. Then coming to MOSFET. So MOSFET is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Again here also we have N channel and P channel. Okay. And here the terminals are gate, drain and source. Hala? Gate, drain and source. Tension ye na khali eta first module pa hi khali taro characteristics pa eta darkar hala tapre sabu khali SCR chalibo. Okay? So this is my drain. Gate, and this is the source. So we are talking about N channel MOSFET. And its voltage is 1000 volt, 50 ampere, what does imply? Like, jadhi mora voltage, operating voltage is like at about 14,000 true ticket adhika hele bhi. In that case, I can go for BJT. Okay, mane these all are, you can say, operating voltages and current rating. Hela operating mane ki eithre hele bahut bhala ei rating bhitre. Sorry, and taro frequency is 100 kilohertz. So this frequency and voltage rating is not required for related to the theory, but they may ask or something. Okay. So this is your MOSFET. So similarly in MOSFET also we'll read about the VI characteristics and the switching characteristics. Then comes your IGBT. Okay. So most common question related to IGBT is that common question है लायेटा कि what is the advantage of using IGBT over BJT and MOSFET? So in that case, what you have to write? You have to write either the advantage, and I'll tell you the points. Okay, so I'll write. You have to say about the advantage of BJT, and then there's a disadvantage of BJT. So we are going for the MOSFET. So advantage, it can be in terms of, like, you can say. If you talk about any power electronic device or converter, so we are mainly concerned with, you can say, there is one term you will come across, that is your on state conduction loss. Okay, so we want this on state conduction loss to be less. तो ऑन स्टेट कंडक्शन लॉस देयर इज माने कहि परिबो जदी लेस हला सेटा गोटे एडवांटेज आ गोटे हला कि तमरो इंपेडेंस इनपुट इंपेडेंस आउटपुट इंपेडेंस ओके तो इनपुट हाई हवा दरकार एंड देन करंट कैरिंग कैपेबिलिटी तार केति अछि तो करंट कैपेबिलिटी अधिक हले तो भला हम पई देन if a converter, I'm not talking about the device, if any converter is introduced in a system, how it is affecting the harmonics. Mane harmonics hela amara kom haba darkar. Okay, so this harmonics is you can say expressed in terms of THD. This term also you will come across when we will read about converters. Okay, THD. So we want low value of THD, that is total harmonic distortion. So these all are terms, that is you will see if you माने को भी converter हो कि को भी device हो तो मैं advantage के disadvantage लिखो तो you will find that maximum is related to this. माने on state कम है ना तो that is an advantage. Okay, current handling capacity low है ना, that is a disadvantage. Okay, ठीक है. So in IGBT here also we have 3 terminals. Okay. So in BJT what we had? BJT we had कौन थी तीनटा टर्मिनल?
Yes,
हाँ. Collector, base, emitter. इटा हला मोरो BJT रे थिला. Okay.
I mean, advantages current handling capacity should be less.
No, high.
Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Less है लफनी like कौन हुआ? Short ही हुआ ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Then MOSFET. MOSFET, what are the 3 terminals? As I discussed, gate, drain, and source. Gate, drain, and source. So this is MOSFET. So in IGBT, as I told, this IGBT is nothing but the combination of these two. So here also the terminals that are present will be collector, this one, collector, emitter, and gate. Collector, emitter, and gate. And you can say, jodi mone rohni to GC, General Electric Operation, GC, collector, emitter, and gate. and its diagram is, obviously it will be again the combination of MOSFET and IGBT. So this is collector, this is emitter, and this is gate. Hello. And its voltage.
IGBT ताले madam voltage controlled current source करी होगा.
BJT is the voltage controlled.
BJT का current controlled. MOSFET टा किंतु जो gate टा लगे लगे सेटा voltage controlled मैंने अपने पर doubt हो किंतु कौन. गेट लगे गेट माने कौन से इतने हमें को सिग्नल दोचे. मैम गेट तो voltage दले मैंने current zero मैंने ideally मैडम जैसे MOSFET रा.
Driver circuit is there. Okay, मत check करें पड़ेगा. I'll check and tell you.
Okay.
Control signal हमें दोचो gate रे. Okay. And the voltage is like 1200 volt and 500 ampere. And the frequency is 50 hertz. Okay. Now, Hella, etichai sabu like all of you have written. You all are writing na khali bosi ki dekho che jodi habani hela mane anyhow jodi roughly karibo then again after study kali you will be able to understand. Okay. Now let us talk about BJT. Okay.
मैम सेटा हाइड कर दिया.
Eda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So power transistors, they have controlled characteristics. They're turned on when control signals are given to base or control and remains on turn on as long as the control signal is present. So once control signal either we are giving at the using a driver circuit, so at the gate or the base. So you can say on ho ki off ho ki कितने time पे on ho, that is only being controlled by a control signal. So these are controllable switches. Then coming to the BJT, so these all I have told. And ये जो different regions are अच्छी, the active region in BJT, if जो characteristics through from that, you may know that there are three regions: active region, saturation, and cutoff. So briefly, jibare nahi, okay. But only कि we operate the BJT in which region generally? Jodi amplifier, then active, then as switch, either we can go for the saturation or the cutoff. So this is not required. Okay. So BJT practically, पता नहीं तुमरे AC lab रे तुमने देखी थी कि नहीं? So it looked like this. So using a multimeter, first we decide which one is NPN or PNP, and then there are terminal हिसाब रे we go for it whether it's base or an emitter. And it तो already कह दीची. It's since it is a two junction and three layer, so it can be PNP or NPN. Three configuration. Okay, so this derivation is not important. the current gain, taro derivation important nahi, only just remember the formula. Okay, this one. The collector is equal to beta IB and that is equal to alpha I. So beta is current gain that is greater than 50 and alpha is forward current gain less than 1. Okay, so if we compare this IE, IC and IB, which one is man kahar value बहुत अधिक अच्छी? IE, good. Then it may be this IC, it may be equal to or less than IC, then is your IB. So derivation not important है ना, खाली ये formula मन रखो, ये भी केवे आते नहीं, just जानते हो रखा है. Okay, now steady state characteristics. So to obtain, so steady state characteristics means we'll talk about the input characteristics and output characteristics. Okay, that means tame supply della and then we will plot a graph between any current, because input characteristics and output characteristics, it is a plot, it is a graph between a current and a voltage and a third variable, it can be voltage or current. Okay, so this is steady state operation रे हमें characteristics obtain करूँचे. Okay, but transient state रे जो characteristics नमो, that is my switching characteristics. So this is the common emitter configuration. It has been used an NPN transistor. So like again base ray, there's a resistor RC and then supply is given VCC, VB. So these all I think I need not tell you. IB base current, collector current IC, emitter current IE. Okay. So if I talk about this input characteristics, so it is the characteristics between base current and VBE. Where is VBE? This one. VBE and IB. And what we are doing at different value of VC2, mane output side. So input side, see this is the input side. So input side ro current and the voltage. So IB and VBE for different value of VCE. So we can see that if VC, so it is said that this graph is similar to diode. What do you say? Diode with empty draw koche na, and reverse biasing is empty use. Again, forward biasing part. So here, when VC2 is greater than VC, or we can say as we go on increasing VCE value, the graph, what happens to the slope of the graph? VC2 greater than VC1. This one is VC2 and it is greater than VC1. So similarly, मुझे the VCE increase करी the graph slope of the graph कौन होगा?
Decreases.
Good. Decreases. And so we can say that for increasing value of VCE and same value of VBE, suppose this one. Okay, let me run it. Suppose I'm considering this value of VBE. So eta graph 1 for VC1 eta hala IB ro value. Suppose IB1. For VC2, this is the IB value. Suppose IB2. Okay. So for increasing value of VCE and same value of VBE, what we can see? VC2 the greater achi, VBE constant achi, but the base current is decreasing. Hela? Bujhilo a sentence? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So simple. Tamara just question empty he paribo ki draw the input characteristics or the VI characteristics. Jadi kaiba VI characteristics means you have to draw both input and output. But the input characteristics of BJT koila, so you draw this IB, VBE and VCE 1, 2, 3 and write this line. Over. So tamara VI characteristics. Okay. Now coming to the output characteristics.
Ma'am, by default, we will always follow the NP and CE.
हाँ. Then coming to your output characteristics, so we have to go for the output side current, that is IC. So output side current is IC and VCE, and you can say the controlling is your IB. For different values of IB we have to take. So from here the different regions we can obtain different region from this output characteristics. This DC load line is not there. माने जदि करिवारे थिबो करि दबो न कले भी चलिबो हैला. This is extra. So in output characteristics it is between IC and VCE, and for different values of IB, you see different values of IB. So here the IB current is increasing. Okay, so IB current is increasing, and this line you see, the last one, the lower one, here when IB is equal to 0, still there is some current in IC, and that current is leakage current. Okay, so when IB is equal to 0, the base current 0 achi, but still some current is flowing in the collector, and that is the leakage current. And then this portion is the cutoff. This is the saturation, joti lower value of VC is saturation, lower value of IB hela the cutoff, and this is the active. And okay. Then how this DC load line is drawn? Any idea? It's not in course, they are just asking. It's a straight line, na? So we have to use a equation, straight line equation.
KVL.
So using KVL, like IC is equal to VCC minus VCE divided by RC. So at this point, IC is equal to 0. So VCC is equal to VC, and at this point, VC is equal to 0, so VCC by RC with a fixed constant, and this point. So you can see it is the locus of all the operating region. But a point रे तमे operate करिले भलो. Okay. And then okay. Then coming to the switching characteristics. So in switching characteristics, it like draw karaichi, but I'll give you one. So there what you do, and also I'll a PDF to provide karbi with this drawing. Okay, so all of you first draw the diagram. Next class mu kahi bi kaha kude present kariya pai hela. So diagram draw karibo, and while drawing the diagram just be careful with this. That means T1 switching ray, the graph has to be here. Okay, mane ei sabu points we have to take care. Hela. So mote book ru ote diagram debi seta draw karibo, and what you have to do, like suppose when switch is given, then VB is minus V2, mane minus of supply, so that you have to read. The theory te na likhi, in the graph itself you can make it a point. At this point it happens this. At T2 it happens here. Hello. So ebe late kiye join kartila ji. Last. Seriously, Anvesh? Nice. Then Anvesh, you do one thing. Tame kali present karibo, hela. A switching characteristics padibo. Okay. Then take the photocopy of that. Joti tame draw karcho tamo copy re, and then present kariki tame karibo. Hela. Anvesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Hela. But fir bhi, all of you do the same thing. Because this is theory and you all will get bored, so I have to make it interesting. Once E phase padela, then baki interesting hoche. Hela. Okay, so Anvesh done. So you will tomorrow you will present this switching characteristics of BJT, and will discuss about MOSFET. है ना? MOSFET VI characteristics and the MOSFET switching characteristics. Okay. ठीक है. And section A do. It is a section. Anvesh, you are from section A, na? हाँ, section B. From section B. Shashank. Shashank, are you there?